Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about articles. A and an are the indefinite articles. Da is the definite article. Now first we will learn about analysis, explanation and at last test. A is used before singular noun and consonant sounds, but not the letter. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. B, C, D, F, G, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, etc. are the consonants. A and the used before singular noun. Now we will see examples. I am dash champion. What we should use here? Here champion is a singular, so we should use a. I am a champion. There is dash fan. You can check here, fan is a singular word, so we will use a for this. There is a fan. Is he dash doctor? Here doctor also singular. So is he a doctor? There is dash university. University is a singular, so we will use a here also. There is a university. They are forming as dash union. Union is singular, so here we will use there are forming a union. My friend became dash engineer. Here engineer is a singular, so we will use a. Here an is used before singular noun which begins with vowel sounds, not the another letters. Examples are my friend became an engineer. My friend became an engineer. Here we used an. Abdul Kalam is dash extraordinary man. An extraordinary man. He is an Australian. Raghu is dash architecture. Architecture before we will use an. Raghu is an architect. He is dash honest politician. He is an honest politician. We saw where we should use a and an. Now we will use where we should not use a and an. A and an are not used before plurals like books, doctors, walls, etc. Uncomfortable nouns sand, water, rice, milk. Material nouns silk, iron, gold, silver, glass, etc. Names of meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now we will see where we should use the or the specific, particular, and unique. Dash sun rises, dash east. We should use the here. The sun rises in the east. Dash moon appears at night. The moon appears at the night. The earth, the sun, the Pacific we should use. Before this we definitely use the Salajang Museum, the Charminar, the pyramids and the Himalayas, etc. Before religious books, what we should use? Before religious books, we should use the Gita, the Bible, the Quran and the Ramayana. Friend plays dash flute. Akash plays dash guitar. They are buying dash piano. Before musical instruments, we should definitely use the. My friend plays the flute. Akash plays the guitar very well. They are buying the new piano. Before the time expressions, what we use like morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Before the time expression, the college will open in the morning. People usually go for walking in the evening. Students will take lunch in the afternoon. Before time expressions, we will definitely use the. Abdul Kalam is one of the greatest person in India. Honest is the best policy. Villages are the most beautiful R.K. places. Narayan is one of the most famous Indian writers in English. I met girl and dash boy at the railway station. Dash girl is about 20 years and dash boy is about years old. What we should use here? I met a girl and a boy. Here they are singular, so we use a girl and a boy at the railway station. The girl is about 20 years old and the boy is about 10 years old. Before the singular nouns, we should use the definitely. And we should not, where we should not use the, we will see now. Before proper nouns, parts of body, meals, institutions. What we should use before only. What article we should use before only. Ravi was dash only student who raised a doubt. Before only we definitely use the. Ravi was the only student who raised a doubt. Before only we should use definitely the. And where we should use more or less before. What we should use before more or less we will see now. Before more or less, we'll see one sentence. Dash more you learn, dash more you benefit. The more you learn, the more you benefit. The less you work, the less you get. And at last, this is a test. You can write if you did not have time. So please pause the video and write the answers. See, these are the answers. And a, the, and the, and the. Thank you for watching.